Sat Nam, beautiful soul. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mataji, and today we're exploring something so important. How do I bring Kundalini energy into my everyday life? Because let's be honest, your practice on the mat is powerful, but how you live between the Kriyas, that's where the real transformation begins and happens. Kundalini isn't just an energy you activate and forget about. It's the core life force flowing through every breath, thought, and action. Awakening it is only the beginning. The deeper work is living in alignment with that awakened state, in traffic, in relationships, while making lunch, answering emails, and even walking your dog. It is a way of living with intention, with breath, with presence. Let me walk you through simple, powerful ways that you can integrate Kundalini Yoga into your daily life. Let's start with the mornings. Before you even get out of bed, take 3 long, deep breaths and silently chant Sat Nam, tuning in to your soul's identity. Tongue scrape, cold shower if you're up for it. And while you get ready, play mantras or just move your spine with a few rounds of spinal flexing cat-cow. Even 1 minute of conscious movement sets your frequency for the day. While having tea or coffee, breathe deeply between sips. Chant silently or even whisper a mantra into your drink. Tune and turn your morning cup into a sacred pause. In the car or commuting, use red lights to breathe consciously or do silent mantra repetition. Play mantra music instead of the news. It changes your vibration instantly. At work or on screens, set a timer to pause every hour. Stand up, stretch, do 1 minute of breath of fire or ego eradicator to move the energy. Place your hands in Gyan Mudra during Zoom calls to stay centered. Between emails, take 3 conscious breaths before responding. Responding instead of reacting is part of the path. During meals, before eating, pause and give thanks. Let your breath bless the food. Chew slowly, breathe mindfully, and chant silently between bites. Your digestive fire is very sacred. Nourish it with presence. While walking or doing errands, breathe with your steps. Inhale for 4, chanting Sat Nam internally. Walk like it's a meditation, because it is. Be aware of your aura moving through the world, your radiance expanding outward. In the evenings, at night, wind down with left nostril breathing or long Sat Nams to calm your nervous system. In your journal, perhaps the prompt is, where did I act from my highest self today? Where did I need more breath? Place your hands on your heart and belly and affirm, I am safe, I am centered, I am connected. Bonus energy hygiene. In the shower, visualize your aura being cleansed. Take a salt bath. Cleanse all the EMF pollution and negative charged energy. Ring a bell or light incense to shift energy in your space. Keep sacred reminders, crystals, mantras, images where you'll see them often. Kundalini energy is not separate from your everyday life. It is your life, lived with consciousness. These small and consistent acts keep the channel open. They help you stay present, powerful, and peaceful, even in chaos. If this resonated with you, drop a heart in the comments and share one way you bring your practice into your daily life. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to live your life every single day. Until next time, breathe deeply, walk truthfully, and always Sat Nam.